In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn down your iPhone alarm. So if it's too loud in the morning, here's what you need to do. You want to open up settings. From settings, you want to go to sounds and haptics. And here you can play with ringtone and alert volume, but that's not it. What you want to do is go to your clock app, have the alarm, click on the alarm and choose whatever sound you have. So I have this. If I turn this all the way down, now it's going to be at the lowest. Then I want to go back and click on save, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.